So today I'm gonna tell you how to make parallettes at home in less than 500 rupees. Well, this is the final product that I'm showing you. These are made in less than 500 rupees, the total cost of the raw material. These parallettes are made using PVC pipe. You don't have to be a gymnast to take advantage of these strength training benefits that you can accomplish using the parallel bars. In fact, you don't even have to go to any special gym or maybe a gymnastic gym or somewhere to use such bars. You can easily make them at very nominal cost at home. The key benefits to use parallettes for bodyweight training is that you can actually elevate yourself easily off the ground. If you're into yoga, calisthenics, gymnastics sort of exercises, workout regime, you can easily take help of these parallel bars or parallettes, lift yourself up and build those strength muscles. Okay, so I'm going to dismantle this entire arrangement to show you how I started building this up. Okay, so let's get started. So this is pretty much everything that we need. 10 foot 1.5 inch PVC pipe cut into 16 pieces. I'll give you the dimension shortly. Then we have 4 90-degree angled elbow joint, again 1.5 inch. Then we have 4 T joints, 1.5 inch, and then we have 8 end caps. And in the center that you see is the PVC glue that will be required to bind all these pieces together. That's the glue that I'm using here as PVC solvent cement. The price for this one is, let's say, okay, here it is. The price is 80 rupees. So this one I got for 80 rupees. Like I said, the accessories over here, this costed me somewhere around 300 rupees. And the 10-foot pipe, now it has been cut into multiple pieces, but then initially it was one single 10-foot pipe, which costed me around 150 rupees approximately. Alright, let's get started.